Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a question that's been popping up a lot online. Does zeolite remove graphene oxide? It's a topic with a lot of buzz, so we're going to break it down and look at what we actually know based on scientific research. First, let's quickly understand our two key players. Zeolite is a natural mineral. Think of it as a microscopic honeycomb or a sponge. It has a unique, cage-like structure with a negative charge. This structure is amazing at trapping and holding onto positively charged particles and other molecules. This process is called adsorption. It's why zeolite is commonly used in things like water filters, cat litter, and even in some detoxification supplements. On the other hand, we have graphene oxide. This is a nanomaterial, which means it's incredibly small. It's essentially a single layer of carbon atoms with oxygen groups attached. These oxygen groups allow it to mix well with water. You've likely heard many things about it, which is why this question of its removal is so popular. So, can the zeolite sponge trap these tiny graphene oxide sheets? The direct answer, based on scientific studies, is yes. Research, primarily in the field of environmental science and water treatment, has shown that zeolite can be an effective adsorbent for graphene oxide in water. Scientists have found that the graphene oxide particles stick to the surface of the zeolite particles. The porous structure of the zeolite provides a large surface area for this to happen. It essentially pulls the graphene oxide out of the liquid solution and holds onto it. But here is the most important part we need to be very clear about. These studies are almost all conducted in a laboratory setting, using purified water. This is very different from the complex environment inside the human body. The effectiveness can depend on the specific type of zeolite used, the size of its pores, the pH of the environment, and what other substances are present. We don't have human clinical trials that confirm this process happens in the same way within our bodies or what dosage would be required. So, while the chemical principle is sound in a lab for water purification, it is a significant leap to apply that same conclusion to human health without much more specific research. Thank you so much for watching and for wanting to understand the science behind these claims. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you found value in this video and want to help us continue creating content that explores these kinds of topics, please consider liking, subscribing, or using the support links in the description below. Your support means the world. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.